in her love I flattering, but all that he could say or do, she gecked and scorned at him. And I, when he began to woo, she bade him not walk at him.
Whate'er she at my dad, quoth he, my Minnie or my auntie, with Crudy Moody they fed me, like ale and ranty tanty, with bannocks of get barley meal, of they there was recht plenty, with chabot stocks, butters, foammeal, and was not that right dainty.
Now we and wander on your snout, but ye bonny Nancy, but ye compare yourself to me, and talk and tell a tansy. I hear a roar o' mine, they call him Super Sunday, and when I want his bonny moon, is sweet like sugar candy.
Wow, Nancy, what needs all this ten? Did I not ken the Sandy? I'm sure the chief o' his ken was Ram the beggar Randy. His many meg upon her back bear both him and his Billy. Will ye compare a nasty pack to me, your winsome Willie?
Then Nancy turned her roon about and said, Did Sandy hear ye? Ye wanna best to get a coat, a ken he dares not fear ye. Say, had ye tongue